Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you're still not my subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button now. And here I am again doing another full set of unboxing, a fresh release from Pop Mart, and this time it's Naruto Battle Against Akatsuki. So a brief description or a brief story from this series. They are a criminal organization from the Naruto series, initially founded by the Yahiko and his friends for peace, but later becoming a villainous group under the influence of Obito Uchiha. So their main goal is to capture all the tailed beasts to achieve world domination. I'm not familiar actually with this series, but I'm going to showcase to you the detail and quality of each figures. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Before we begin, let me show you the packaging or the mother box of this series, the Naruto Shippuden Battle Against Akatsuki. So the main cover is the Itachi Uchiha, and they have these 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 confirmed figures and 2 secrets. So are we able to get or lucky enough to secure any of these secrets? So let's see guys. Let me show you now the 5 single boxes that I pulled out. We have these 5 boxes here. So some boxes or figures are so heavy like this. Yeah, these 3. And we have these 2 very light figures. So let me start with the lighter one. So let me show you the single boxes. I really like the packaging because it looks like there's a lot of blood going on as a background. And the character looks really cool, and I like that they are wearing their uniform, this black robe with a red linings. So as I've said, they have these 12 confirmed figures, which is the Toby, Conan, Kakuzu, Hidan, Itachi Uchiha, which is the cover, Kisame Hoshigaki, Zetsu, Sasori, Deidara, and Pain. And the other 2 secrets, I guess the secret 2 is Naruto, and the secret 1 is Pain also. So the other character of Pain. So from this lineup, as if I'm going to measure them with how they are likable, I really like to get the one in the main cover, which is the Itachi Uchiha. I really like to get Pain also Kakuzu, and either of these secret. So yeah, as I've said, I'm not familiar with the Naruto, but I see some like clips of Naruto or anime shows. So let me start opening this one at the bottom part. And let's see which will be our first character from this series. Okay, they use a regular foil with, I'm not sure if this is Gong. Why it's not Pop Mart? It's not under Pop Mart, but I believe this is Pop Mart. Maybe this is under Gong Company. So let's see. Our first figure. 1, 2, 3. Oops. A very small figure. I don't know who's this main character. Oh! I guess this is Pain. Am I right? Oh, very nice. It's just so it's very small figure. And let me show you all the inclusion first. So this is the art card. Wow. I really like the art card. So this is Pain. I like the art card. It's very artistically done. I like the illustration. Even the figure illustration, it's so detailed. And this is the back of the art card, like Gong or Naruto. Yeah, Naruto name. And this is the stand as an inclusion. Let me put them all together first so that we can check them properly, if how it will looks like with the stand. Yeah, so let me show you Pain as wearing this uniform of a, I'm not sure if this is black one. It looks like a midnight blue going to dark with this design of the robe with the black linings and illustration. Look how detailed the hair of Pain. It's like a spiky orange hair. Look the eyes. Yeah, it's not a chipped eye, but it's like a painted one. I like the details of maybe this like he's trying to burst his power. So this is like a impact of his power. So let me give you some info about Pain. So Pain abilities is wields the Rinnegan, one of the most powerful dojutsu. So I guess that's the only information I can give to you. And if you are a fan of Naruto or Pain, can you give me also your thoughts about Pain as a character from Naruto? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our second box and let's see which one or which will be our next character. This one is so light and surprisingly the figure itself is so small if you will compare with the regular figure of Pop Mart. And yeah, so let's proceed with the second box. Again, it's a very small figure. I don't know why. I'm not sure if this is worth the price, but as I can see, the figure details is so intricate, so it looks really cool and quality. So let's see our second figure. One, two, three. Okay, who's this? Oh, let me show you first all the details. It's a very small figure. Let me check all the inclusions and the art card so that I can discuss it more, and I can show it more to you, the complete figures. So this is the stand. It looks like there's a lot of. I'm not sure if this is a bomb. Like there are three white bombs here. Like he's holding another bomb, but maybe it's like covered with a cloth, the bomb covered with the cloth. So this how it looks like when it's in the stand. So this is so this is Toby. We have Toby here. So let me give you some brief info about Toby. So Toby abilities is possesses the Sharingan and later Rinnegan. So he uses Kamui, a space-time jutsu that lets him face through attacks and teleport. So and becomes the Ten Tails Jin Kuruki. Am I right? If I'm wrong or right, you can comment down below, guys. Because again, it's an excuse. I'm not familiar with the character. So if you know this one, please comment down below. So let's proceed with our third box. So I'm not sure if we are getting beautiful figures now, but definitely the fans of Naruto will definitely love this one. And just a bit of information, this series or collections are sold out anywhere now. It's not available now in Pop Mart. I'm not just sure if in other markets these are available because when I check in Pop Mart, these were all sold out. So let's proceed with our third box and let's see which will be our third character or figure. Okay. Oh, it looks like that's why it's so heavy because this is uh the inclusion, the stand of the character, and it looks like I'm not sure if this is a tree or a shadow of ghosts or monsters. And let me remove all the plastic and stickers. Let me show you first this stand because it surprised me that it has a lot of details. It looks like a shadow of hair, like a ghost, and there's a lot of mask here, white mask, a different mask that reminds me of the mask that they are using in Japan. So this is the back details. It's like a tree, but I believe these are like a dark soul to me. They are four. So let me show you our third figure. One, two, three. Oops, and there's another plastic. Okay, I'm not sure who's this character, and let me pull out the art card and put him first here on the stand. But I don't know why. How? Okay. Oh, this one is a really cool figure. And this is Kakuzu. We got Kakuzu. And I guess so far I like this figure because of the details. And Kakuzu has these emerald green eyes. I'm not sure what is this, like a silver tag on their head or forehead, but maybe this is the sign of their group. So maybe this is the Takigakure. Maybe this is their village name. I'm not sure. So if I'm right, please comment down below and let me give you some info of the abilities or power of Kakuzu. Kakuzu can steal and sew others' hearts into his body. Wow! Giving him 5 hearts and each representing an elemental chakra nature. Okay, that's why maybe these are souls. These four at the background are souls that he took a heart. Maybe I'm not sure, but if you think I'm right and if you think I'm wrong, please comment down below. Let's proceed with our fourth box. So let me give you a recap first. So we got the pain, we got Kakuzu, and we got Toby. So we're still looking for Conan, Hidan, Itachi Uchiha, Kisame Hoshigaki, Setsu, Sasori, Deidara, and the two secrets. So let's see. This is another heavy figure. So let's see if we are able to pull a secret. Let me check. Let me check. Our fourth figure. Okay. One, two, three. Uh-oh. And let me show you another. And remove another plastic. Okay. I'm not sure who's this character, but he looks so scary with the hoodie, with a lot of spikes at the back. And let me pull everything in here. Oh, there's a lot of figures inside. That's why it's so heavy. Oh, the two characters, the Sasori. So maybe this is the like a puppet of Sasori. I'm not sure. Let me pull first the other figure. I guess I like this one because worth the price. I got a two figures in one box. Okay, let me put all the stand. I like the stand. I'm not sure what's the meaning of this or this Chinese character. If you know something about this one, guys, please comment down below. And let me put this figure here. I'm not sure how I'm going to put this one. Is it like this or like this? Okay, here. Okay. And this is the background. Like, he's the puppet master. Wow. I really like this figure. So this is, by the way, we have Sasori here. This is the art card of Sasori. So Sasori is a puppet master who turned his own body into a human puppet. So this is the human puppet. So this is Sasori. Okay. I'm not sure. Am I right? If I'm wrong, maybe the other way around. So this is the back details. It's so scary, this guy. I like how they put all the hairs all together like this. There's a lot of details. So spiky hair. If this is a blue purple hair, it's tied, man bun tied, and I like the hair of. I'm not sure who's the Sasori here or who's the puppet here. So I really like both of them. Very detailed figure. They are look so scary. I guess they are a very familiar character to you guys. So their abilities is to control 100 puppets at once. Wow. So it's so unbelievable. So they are using the red secret technique, which is performance of 100 puppets. Very cool figure. So what can you say about this one, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, before I'm going to proceed with our fifth box, let just notice and let me show you first their stand at the bottom part. They have different character name at the bottom part. I'm not sure what is the meaning of these. Maybe you can help me find out. See, they have different name or character, Japanese character. Maybe these two have the same one. Look, so maybe they are the partners one. I'm not sure. They have the same stand. So I guess they are partners. So let's proceed now with our fifth box, and we are halfway through, almost halfway through, and we're still not getting a secret. And let me do a recap again. So we got this and okay, we have this one and this one. So let's see. Another heavy figure. Okay. Our fifth character is one, two, three. Oh, the good thing that they have another plastic protection for each figure. And we have, oh, let me pull all the inclusions. The one with the monster, or I guess this is like a, a big shark, blue shark. And this one is another cool figure. Look, so this is Kisame Hashogaki. Let me remove all the inclusion, guys, because this one looks very cool. And I like the details of this one. It seems like a good character figure. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this one. Ah, where he's standing. Here? Ah, okay, I saw it now. This one should be here. Nice! And he's holding this like a paddle board. Nice one. So this is the sword, or maybe it looks like a paddle board, but this one is, I believe, is a sword of Kisame, and this is a sword that absorbs chakra. I don't know what is chakra is. So yeah, this is how it looks like at the back. Let me check the bottom part. So this is the character or the character name of this stand. I'm going to find out his partner. So let me show you first the figure itself. This one is a very detailed figure. The blue shark whale or purple whale looks so cool with the tip. And this is like a water waves, which is they use a translucent figure or translucent material. And even the sword of Kisame looks like the hair, his hair. Look how beautiful this one, and how cool the details of each figure or each part of the figure. A very nice one. I guess I can say now, after pulling out or unboxing these five figures, I can say that this collection is worth the money. So let me give you the abilities of Kisame. uh, Kisame, like he's from the village of Kiragakure and has a massive chakra reserves comparable to a tailed beast, can fuse with Samehada to gain shark-like abilities. Wow, very cool and very nice figure. I guess I should watch Naruto now after pulling these five characters. So what can you say about this one, guys? I guess this is my first favorite so far. Please comment down below. So let's proceed with our sixth box. So I'm so excited to unbox this one because I found these figures a really cool collection, and yeah, it encouraged me to watch Naruto now. So definitely, if you are a fan of Naruto, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe in my channel because I will definitely showcase a lot of figures or a lot of characters to do unboxing. So our sixth figure now. One, two, three. Okay. Oh, who's this character? Oh, I guess this is the one in the cover, which is, let me pull everything. We got Itachi Uchiha. Nice one. And let me put the inclusion, the stand. Let me show you the stand. It looks like a raven wings to me. And it's so cool. A very detailed one. Yeah, a nice one. Look how gradient the color here, from black to blue to purple. It matches the outfit of Itachi, and he has these raven wings at the back. A very nice one. So this is the stand name character. I guess they are matching with I'm not sure who has this pink one. Oops, sorry. Let me give you the abilities of Itachi. He can manipulate time and perception, inextinguishable black flames, a spiritual warrior with the Yata mirror, and Totsuka blade. I'm not sure what is that. Totsuka blade? Hmm. Does he have anything or another inclusions? Nothing. So we got Itachi. So what can you say about Itachi, guys? Please comment down below. Let's go now with our seventh figure. And let me unbox this one at the bottom part again. And let's see. This one is a very light figure. Maybe it doesn't have any inclusions or heavy inclusions. Snap. Yeah, I just noticed the all the characters are very small figure. The one that makes them bigger are the stands that they have. So let's see. One, two, three, and it's another plastic. Okay, we got this one, and let me check the inclusions and the art card. Oh, we got Hidan. Let me put all the inclusion first so that we can appreciate more Hidan as a full character. Wow, I like this Rick sword. I'm not sure. Am I right? Rick sword. It's like a flame sword. And this is the stand. Look. Let me put all together. Okay. And where do I put this one? Oh, maybe here. Okay. I'm going to put the flame here as a background. A very nice one, guys. Look. They use a translucent material here. And even the Rick sword. Where should I put this one? Okay. Hmm. I'm not sure. Okay, here. Am I right? Okay, here. 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 Ah, okay. This one here. Or maybe I'm going to put this one here. Okay. Should I make like this? I'm not sure if he's holding like this. Oh, let me figure out and let me go back to you once I fix this one up. So guys, this is how it looks like when we put all together all the inclusions of Hidan, and I'm going to give you his abilities, which he uses a three-bladed scythe to draw blood and perform a ritual. Once he ingests his opponent's blood, he can link their life force to his own. So guys, look how beautiful this one. They use a lot of different materials and how intricate all the details, like I'm not sure what you call this one that connects with his site, but this one's really cool. And he uses or he's holding one stick or a wand. So if you know or if you like Hidan as a character, please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box. So let me open this one now because I'm so excited to see all the characters, and we're still not getting any secret. So I'm not sure if we are able to get a secret from these last three boxes that we have. So this is our eighth figure or eighth character. One, two, three. Whoa! It looks like a green one. Okay. Look what we have here. Like, it looks like the carnivorous plants. Let me put all together all the inclusions and let me show you the art card. We got Setsu. And this is the inclusion, the stand of Setsu. It's a green moss. And let me put him on the stand. like this. Maybe like this. Yeah. So, yeah, he looks so different with the other characters. Like, he's the only green one, and he has this like a the carnivorous plants. If I'm not sure, I forgot the name of that plant, but it looks like one. And this is the back details. It's so simple. And let me give you the abilities of Setsu. Setsu can split personality like a white Setsu and a black Setsu. So he can merge with the ground or other bodies to spy undetected. Black Setsu manipulates events behind the scenes for millennia, including Madara's resurrection. So this is it. We have Setsu here. If you like this character, please comment down below. We're almost done, guys. So we have two last boxes, and we're still not getting Conan and Deidara. So let's see. Though I like Deidara also and Conan, but I really like to get either of these two secrets. I hope I'm taking my chances to get a secret. I'm giving my fate to have one. Our ninth figure. One, two, three. Oops. Oh, we got Deidara. Am I right? Deidara? Oh, Deidara. The last two girls. I'm not sure if this is girl. He looks like a girl. Or maybe because of the long hair. Maybe not. Though I like Deidara. This is the art card. Let me put all the inclusions. Deidara. And we're not getting a secret. How sad. He has too much inclusions here. I thought he's a girl. She looks like a girl. He looks like a girl, actually. And let me put the... How? It should be on this front. Okay. So, it's so hard. Okay. This is the way it is. I'm right. Putting it all together here. And, okay. Oh, okay. The waves of flames, like they use a translucent material. I'm not sure it's like a flame or maybe a clouds of flame. You just have to put at the back of the character like this. It just so happened it's not magnetized. This will be cool if this one is magnetized here, like it can easily attach, but it's not. You just have to put this one at the bottom part of the character. And there are two birds here. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the other bird here and the other bird. Where is the connection? Maybe here? Like that? Ah, this one's a really cool figure, actually. So this is the full figure of the character of Deidara. He has a blonde yellow hair. So I mistakenly call him as a her. So yeah, let me give you the abilities of Deidara. He uses explosive clay, which mounts on his hands, can create clay creatures that explode at will, birds, spiders, centipedes, etc. He has different explosions level from C1 to C4. And his ultimate CO is a self-destruction bomb with massive range and can combine art and destruction in as his motto. Art is an explosion. Yeah, this one's a very cool figure. I actually like this one too. What can you say about Deidara as a figure here? Please comment down below. So guys, we're down to the last box and we're still missing Conan as the last character. And yeah, the other two secrets, which is I'm not sure if we have the lucky charm today to get a secret. Let me open one. Let me open now this one, and let's see if we are lucky enough to get the last one as a secret. Let's see if this is Conan. Hmm, let me feel it. Oh, maybe this is Conan. Yeah, we got Conan. Okay, and we don't have a secret. Look how beautiful though. He looks like, I'm not sure, is he or she? So I guess she's the only girl in the group, and she has these white wings connected to the base. This one has a lot of intricate details. Look how beautiful this one. Very nice. Let me show you the art card. Okay, we got Conan. Here's the art card of Conan. And there's another two, a very small figure here, like a, I'm not sure if this is a pieces of cards or paper. Like you have to put the two paper here between her two fingers like this. Wow. This one is so cool figure. I guess this is like a white paper. And let me give you the ability of Conan. She uses paper release, like Kami no Jutsu, that transform her body into countless sheets of paper. So this is like a countless sheet of paper that looks like a wings of an angel, and that can create paper shuriken, paper clones, and even massive paper storms. Her strongest move, like Paper Ocean, uses 600 billion explosive tags to kill opponent like a tool. How cool that one, guys, right? Though we didn't get a secret, but I guess Conan is a like a beautiful figure, like a quality figure that can add up to all the confirmed figures that we have right now. So if you like Conan as a character, please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of Naruto Battle Against Akatsuki. So the bottom part or the bottom characters are my top favorites from this lineup, and of course the other five on the top section are my least favorites, but I like them as well. And if I can say that this collection are worth the money, and if you are really a collector of Naruto, you will definitely love this collection. And if you had fun watching my vlog, please don't forget to share and like this video. And if you're still not my subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. If you have other favorites, please comment down below. And once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!